Hi. Alright, so here's the deal. I went to the dentist today because I have two cavities on the left side of my mouth on my wisdom teeth. I never had a cavity before and it kind of sucked. And he was like, well, we can just pull them because they're wisdom teeth, but they're still like good teeth. So I was like, well, I'll fill them, and then if they still suck after that, then we can pull them out. So he gave me novocaine, he did my teeth and stuff. And it was all fine, it didn't hurt that much. And then afterwards, I left and I went to the store and I got just like a soda because my mouth was dry and kind of nasty and I can't eat anything for like 5 hours. And the guy behind the counter was like, have a nice day. And I was like, you too, have a nice day. And then I realized that I didn't say you too, have a nice day like a normal person. I said it like Daffy Duck. And then I was like, oh, great, I forgot to do Novocaine. And I thought it was so funny that I like came home and I was like, I have to record it so that people know what I sound like when my mouth is like all dead inside. And it sucks because I'm going to sound like this for like 4 hours. So I really can't do much that involves talking to people. It's a good thing everyone's at work and I have nothing to do. So I'm going to take pictures instead, and hopefully my mouth is not like bleh because of it. Okay, that's all. Have a good day. Good news, everyone. My mouth is back to normal. Life can resume. Okay, bye.